How to create Yubo account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can create Yubo account. For this, you want to download and install the Yubo app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store and download and install this app. Once you have downloaded this, tap on the open option. Here, if you already are a member, you want to tap on the login option. Then you can either log in with your Google account or log in using your username. If you do not have an account, you can tap on the Continue with Google option. Now enter the details of your Google account, including Gmail and password. Now tap on the Create New Account option. Here you will have to enter your name first, then tap on this arrow button. Next, you want to enter your date of birth. After that is done, tap on the arrow button. Now you want to select your gender. After that, you want to create your username. Make sure that you create a unique username. Tap on the arrow button after that. Now you will have to add your picture. You can either click a photo now or use a photo from your gallery. Then tap on the arrow button. Now you want to accept the terms and conditions. And once you do that, your new Yubo account will be successfully created. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.